Hello everyone and welcome back to the next diecast. For today's video I'm going to be unboxing this new car that I got in the mail. Well, not really new, it's actually 20 or so years old I think. And you can tell by the box and everything. This is the Chrysler Pronto Cruiser made by Maisto, as you can see there. Every so often on Amazon you'll see like a long discontinued model on there for a pretty decent price. This was actually only 20 bucks. A lot of times if there's any kind of discontinued like 1/18 scale car on that website, prices can go upwards of like 60 bucks, which I think is like just kind of crazy. But every so often you'll find something interesting like this on there. I forget who the seller was. I think there's actually a couple more on there of these Pronto Cruisers. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Looks like there's a bit of some tape on there. Yeah, this is the original concept version. There was only actually one concept of the Pronto, so I'm not really sure what that means, but it's a pretty interesting model. This is actually what the PT Cruiser would be. Oh, here we go. That was easy enough. Let's go ahead and open these flaps here. There we go. At least those older boxes were pretty cool because they didn't have all that like plastic framing in them. This just has like the display stand, and the rest of the packaging is just part of the box. It's much easier to get the cars out and everything. I really wish that they still had that kind of like same format, but they've definitely have evolved since then. All right, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to do this with one hand right now. I just keep sliding this around. These things are hard to pull out. Let me put this down for just a second. It's funny, you're seeing an unboxing, but the actual unboxing part is hidden now. There we go. Alright, just took it out of the box. You can see it's pretty old because of how yellow the plastic is. But I was really happy to find this. I've actually been trying to find this model at like, flea markets and stuff for like the last few years. So finding on Amazon was actually a big surprise, I should say. But it looks like all the original shipping straps are on there and everything too, which is nice to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and then unscrew this from the bottom. I have a screwdriver. This actually came in like a big toolkit. You can actually unscrew this, and then you can put different like attachments on there. Like there's like a Phillips head attachment and whatnot. It's actually the perfect size for any Maisto display stand. You can easily unscrew it. There we go. That came out pretty easily. The screws look almost brand new for such an old model. Thought they'd be at least a bit dusty or something. Alright, we'll take this off. There we go. Alright, there's the stand. Maisto's older display stands I think are pretty cool because they have kind of like a wood grain effect to them. This is plastic obviously, but it looks like a piece of wood, which I think is really cool. And they would always have the name of the car in gold, which looks like metal. You're looking at this from a far distance, it looks like it's like a metal base with, or I'm sorry, a wood base with a metal name plaque, which looks really cool. There's the name of the car on there. Let's move that out of the way. Looks like this was also part of the stand. Oh, it like fits around it. Okay. I was gonna say, I hope no part of the car fell off on me. All right, and then here's our Pronto Cruiser concept. Looks really, really cool. All right, just took out the shipping straps. So now we can open up everything, and detailing is really good from a first impression, I would say. It's got these branded tires and the steering and everything. Super cool. I'm looking forward to doing a review on this. But yeah, as I said, this looks kind of like the PT Cruiser, and that's because the PT Cruiser came from this concept vehicle. And I personally think that they should have actually kept this design and not the PT Cruiser design. But that might just be me. All right, that was a longish unboxing for this model. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to comment down below if you have this model or what you think of this model. And expect a review on this sometime soon. I'll probably film it within the next few days and upload it at that point. Thanks for watching.